Itong araw na ito, inaalay namin kami mga kasalukuyang henerasyon sa mga ninuno naming Muslim dito sa lungsod. Ito'y simpleng tanda ng pag-alala na kung sino talaga kami. Amin.
Our Muslim brothers and sisters are known to be one of the early settlers even before the establishment of the city of Manila. In time with the forthcoming celebration of the 450th founding anniversary of the city of Manila, we offer this tangible edifice and site as a manifestation of how the city honors and respects the culture and tradition of its forefathers with Islamic ancestry.
We Manileños, our forefathers, our leaders, our ancestors, ang Maynila ay pinamunuan ng mga kababayan nating Muslim. Pinamalhaan, namahala dito sa lungsod.
Our generation and the generation to come shall be forever thankful for the appreciation of our ancestors' significant contributions and how the Muslim culture is represented to what we are now as Filipinos. It shall be forever engraved in our hearts. Mayor Isko Moreno Nobogoso. A dream come true and another fulfilled promise of our very dynamic, proactive, and inspirational local Chief Executive, Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso, who promotes inclusive leadership in its truest essence.
A place for your family, for your loved ones here in Manila. A simple token of we, the young generations, appreciates your effort in the early times, fighting for the independence and sovereignty of the country here. Gadsali Japar, sumalangit nawa ang kaluluwa ni Vice Chairman. Nakausap ko siya noon, kaharap si Shay. Hindi pa ako mayor. And I said to him, you know, Vice Chairman, niyawa ang Diyos. Niyawa ang Diyos. Pag pinalad ako mag-alkalde ng Maynila, we will remind the next generation of who we are as Manileño. I made that commitment to him, despite that I am not in the position to make such promise. Eh sabi ko nga sa kanya, pag may awa ang Diyos.
We welcome you in our city that acknowledges diversity, where differences are integrated, not annihilated. As
long found a home in Manila, Filipino Muslims will always have a home in you. Mayor Isko Moreno Damagoso, Vice Mayor Honey Lacuna Pangan, thank you very much. May this day be a symbol and a mark that no Muslim Filipinos shall ever be left behind. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Manila, God first.